Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a multi-view drawing for this part. Okay, this is the part that we created in the previous video. Okay, first of all I want to save it so I don't lose it, so I go to File and click Save. Type the, I think, assignment 1, 2, 3, multi-view. Okay. So now it's saved. Now, all I have to do is do this. I go to this this button. I click it. This is my workspace selection. Okay. I'm right now. I'm in the design workspace. Now I want to switch to the drawing workspace. So I move my mouse to drawing and I click from design. So I'm going to create a drawing from this design. Click drawing from design. It's choosing my design and I click OK. There is only one design in this drawing, so I click OK. Now it's creating my drawing workspace. It's loading. Now this is going to be my drawing. Now it's asking me place front view. So my front view is my most visible, most important view. And it's just asking me where do I want to place my front view. Now if you go back to your assignment, I'm pretty sure your front view was, okay, now I lost it. Okay, right here. If you go to your canvas, I think the front view was right here on the bottom. Okay, I'm pretty sure. So this is my front view. Now here's a window for the editing the view. Actually, let me go back to canvas and see whether I placed it correctly. Just a second. Click on my canvas page. Multi-view drawings. Yeah, front view on the bottom. Okay. So actually I have to move it up a little bit, so okay, I'll do it later, don't worry about it. So now front view. Now here choose the style, choose the style that can show you the okay, front view, visible edges, visible and hidden edges. Choose that, and make sure you type 1:1 scale here, and click OK. So now this is your perfect front view. Move it a little bit up because your right view is gonna be right by side, right here. Okay, so now this is your front view. Notice that the hole is shown with hidden lines, and this is your cylinder. Looks like a rectangle from the front view. Now all you have to do now is create your other views from this view. This is your base view. So right click and click on projected view. Left click projected view and select parent view. Is going to let you place the top view now. The top view, place it obviously on top right here. Click. Then return to your part and go with the mouse to the right view. So see, it automatically understands what you're trying to do. So this is your right view, and again go at an angle and place your isometric view in the corner right there. Click, hit escape. So these are all of your views. You can type that this is your, obviously this is your top view. I hit the text icon. This is your, okay, this is your, again, this is your left view. Enter. Actually, you don't need enter, just click. And this is your right view. Now the only thing I want to do is make this isometric view realistic. So my top left and right views are showing the hidden lines and all the details Here I'm gonna click on it, right click, and do edit view. And I just want it to look like the real part, so I'm gonna choose, I can either choose this or I can choose this with shades and everything. Either way is fine. I guess I'll leave it like that. Okay, so I'm basically done. I can move them a little bit to create a perfect picture. Now, what I also want to do is to create dimensions. Remember how we had dimensions on the sketch? So I click this icon. I click right here. Remember that was 2 1/4 inch. And I click right here. Then I can click right here on the other side, and that's my 2-inch side, and just click it with the mouse. Okay, what was the cylinder? I click on the cylinder, and this is my diameter of the cylinder, 1.25 inch. I click on the hole, and that's my 1-inch hole. And what else? Remember the height of the cylinder? So let me do that. I click on the height right here, and it's 0.75. I click on the thickness right here, and it's 0.75. So notice how you can put certain dimensions in a certain view. Like if you're talking about the height of the cylinder, you can only do it in the left view or your right view. You cannot do it on the top view, right? So you think which dimensions belong where. So you're pretty much done here. Do I have enough dimensions to make this part? Well, I'm missing these distances from the hole to these edges. So I can probably do those even though I didn't specify them exactly, but I can probably put them on the picture still. This would be a little bit, I guess, a little difficult. Yes, you can come in. You can come in, that's fine. Leave the door open, please, there. Okay, so okay, just leave it like this. This is your this is gonna be your drawing. So hit escape. You're pretty much done. Okay, so this is your multi-view drawing. Don't forget to save it. File, save, type the name. You can leave it like this and click save. Okay, you're done with this assignment.